Hey guys, I found another paying website, and this website, all you have to do to earn on this website is to input the signals they drop in their group. Then you input it on this website, and voila, you start making money. And the sweetest part of this website is that you don't need to stress. You don't need to start thinking about, hey, what am I going to do to, to win. This group are going to give you signals, then you follow them immediately. Once they drop signals, you input it on this platform, and voila, you start making money. Okay, so this website is registered. You understand? All you have to do is to click on this menu box, go to security, see their company document certificate, right? This is the company certificate, and this is MSB license to tell you that this platform is legit. And also, please, this is for educational purposes, and do well to do your research before investing on anything. You understand? So that's it. If you want to get to this platform, all you have to do is to click the link on my comment section or description below. Once you click the link, it will bring you here. All you have to do is to input your Telegram account, input your WhatsApp account. It's not necessary you put it. Then you put your email, your password. Then after inputting your email, click here. They will send you a verification code. Once they are done, they will input it. Then you copy it and input there. Then you go up and register. Click register. Once you register your account, you will come here. You understand? So let's go to my account. As you can see, I already have $27 here. You understand? I have already have $27 to tell you that this platform is really paying. If you want to deposit on this platform, all you have to do is to click on this deposit. And the sweetest part of this deposit is that cryptocurrency to deposit, and also you can use your Nigerian bank account to deposit. So depending on what you want, if you want to deposit with cryptocurrency, all you have to do is just click this select, then you click this USDT, input the amount you want to use. Okay, let's say I want to deposit $10. I will click submit. Then they will generate this USD. Then I'll copy it and go and make payment. Once we are done, you click confirm. Just few minutes, this thing has been within few minutes, your money will drop. If you don't want to use your cryptocurrency, you can use your Nigerian bank account. All you have to do is select, then you input 10,000. Once you input the 10,000, you click submit. Okay, you click submit. Then once you click that submit, they will give you account you will pay into. You get. So once you paid your the money into this account they generated, then you come back and click I have paid. You understand? Once you are done, you go back to your account. Your money will be on your account. You understand? If you want to withdraw, you click this withdraw button here. I haven't input my withdrawal address. I'll input my USDT wallet, modify it. Then I don't want to withdraw yet. You understand? So that's basically how to go on this platform. And the sweetest part of it is that you will be getting a bonus. That's the sweetest part of it. You'll be getting a bonus. Once you recharge $10, you click on this red basket here. I don't know if you are seeing it. This thing that I circled. Click on it. It will bring you here. So you click on any of this. You understand? I've claimed mine. So you click on any of these beginners challenge. So you'll be getting 5% of whatever you recharge. You understand? You'll be getting 5%. If it is $5, you get 5%. If it is $8, $10, $60, you'll be getting 8%. So that's basically how to go about it. I know you might be asking, how do you earn on this platform? So calm down. Let me explain. So basically, this before you start earning on this platform, you have to join the signals group. It will be on the description box or on the comment section below. So once you once you are done registering and depositing, you come to this home, click on it. It will bring you here. Then you scroll up. It will you will see top trade. Once you see top trade, as you can see, you see BTC 28, ETH 10, and other games as sports. You understand? But we are going to make use of this E10. You can also play this. You can join the signals. But what we are going to use now to show you how I earn my money is using this. You understand? So all you have to do is to click on it, then you go to the signal. We are and note, have time for each betting. They have 1 minute, 3 minutes, and 5 minutes. You understand? So if you know how to play this, you can play it. You understand? So we are going to play color. That's basically what you are playing now. So this, if you choose red, it will give you times 2 of your money. If you choose purple, it will give you times 2 of your money, same as green. But if you want to choose the specific one that, let's say, and let's say this number 2 red, that's what the game is going to give us, right? It will give us 9.5, as in times 9 of our money. You understand? Let's say it's green and 0 green and purple will come. It will give you times 5 of um times 9 of your money. You understand? So as we not be rich now, we not fit do this one. So we'll be using only plain colors. You understand? We are using red, blue, green. So all you have to do to earn on this platform is to go to signals. Let's say, let me go to my signals. Oh, so they say we should play red. Okay, let's play red. I'm going to put 0.5. Let's trade. So we'll be waiting for I'm done. Let's wait for countdown, right? To know our result. See where the countdown is counting. See it, you understand? It's remaining 19 seconds now. 18. Okay, let's wait for it. It's counting down already. See it? It's counting down here already. See it here? See it? It's counting down. Let's wait for it. So it's loading. Yes, we won. Oh, my network is very bad. We won this one. You understand? So we won this one. Let's go back. What signal did they give? Red again. So we'll play red. We are using the same amount, 0.5. Please use your money small, 0.5. Let's trade. Let's wait for countdown. So now it's loading. Let's know if, oh, it's a loss for us. Then you go back and play again. You understand? Know what they said, red again. So that's basically how to earn on this platform. It's very simple. If you can play this game, yeah, if you are very calculative and can play this game, bet me, within few minutes you will earn times double of your money. It's very simple. It's very simple. You can also trade on this BTC 28. You understand? You can use the signals. The signals links will be on the comment section. You understand? You can use their signals, right? So you can also earn on this platform by inviting your friends. You understand? So that's basically on how to earn on this platform. You understand? See you guys on my next video.